why not call it the Big Chill or the Nippy Era? I'm just saying, how do we know it's an ice age?
Because of all the ice.
Well, things just got a little chillier.
Come on, kids, let's go. The traffic's moving.
But Dad!
No buts. You can play Extinction later.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Sal, where's Eddie? He said something about being on the verge of an evolutionary breakthrough. Really? Some breakthrough.
You're coming the wrong way. The other way.
Hey, do the world a favor. Move your issues off the road.
If my trunk was that small, I wouldn't draw attention to myself, pal.
Give me a break. We've been waddling all day.
Oh, go ahead. Follow the crowd. It'll be quieter when you're gone.
Come on. He wants to freeze to death, let him.
Hey, I'm up. Hey, rise and shine, everybody. Huh? Zach? Marshall? Bertie? Uncle Fungus? Where is everybody? Come on, guys. We're gonna miss the migration. They left without me.